Hello everyone, draw on numbers from 1 to 9 as such. Starting off with the number 1, add a pencil, draw it out of it. Then add a little eraser to it as well. Out of the number 2, add a little bird to it, that is a swan. Out of the number 3, make a year out of it. Out of the number 4, just add a double line to part of the 4. Do the same with the number 5 and then the number 6 as well. Number 6 will look like a whistle. As for the number 7, make a flag out of it or a little light. Number 8 is a chick and number 9 is a mic. Next, start off by drawing the letter I. Connect the different parts of it to make it look like a lantern. In the top and the bottom, add a rectangular shape to it, and then at the bottom, add some lines as well. Using a marker, make multiple lines as such. Color it up in red. Use a marker to make yellow lines as such. Use a brown marker to add in the small details to it wherever necessary. We have chosen to add the numbers 2023. This will signify the years. For our next drawing, we have chosen to take a marker and then draw 3 lines as such. However, it is one continuous line. Make a fish out of the first one as such. Add multiple lines to it. Out of the second one, we are also making a fish. However, this fish will have a different pattern. Draw the gills and then draw the fins on either side, and finally draw the tail. Add a cute little smiley face to it. Finally, moving on to the last fish, make it look like the prince of a tiger. Color it all in with colors as you please. For our next drawing, start off by drawing a circular shape and then add a face to it. Add hair at the top and then add the rest of the body. This is not how you do it. Instead, start off by drawing a circular shape. Now draw on the hair as such. Add the ears once you are done with this and then add a cute little smiley face as well. We have made him look like he is winking. Now proceed on to draw the rest of the body. Draw on the top and then we are drawing shorts now. Add the legs once you are done with the shorts. Use your marker to color it in and then color the shirt in any other color. We have chosen to use blue. As for the shorts, we have chosen to use yellow. Color in the face in a light shade of pink or orange as such. Use the same shade for the hands and the legs. Next, take a marker and then write the numbers 1, 2 and finally 3 in this shape. Now connect the bottom as such and then make a 4 out of it. Through this, we will be making a person. Now once you are done with this, make a hat out of the top of the person as such. Add the top of the hat and then connect it to the bottom. Draw on the eyes of the person finally and then color it in. Next, draw a circular shape and then make checks out of the circular shape. Around the circular shape, add petals to it and then you should have a sunflower. Add the stem to it and once you are done with the stem, double layer it and then add on the leaves on either side. Add the ground to it using the same marker and then right beside it, draw on a smaller, cuter flower. Draw small flowers all around it as such. Then add leaves to each of them along with the stem. Right above one of the flowers, you may also draw a little insect. We have chosen to draw a bee to signify the bee sucking the pollen out of the flower. At the top, you may draw on a little watering can as well. This is what we have chosen to do. Add little droplets of water to show that water is coming out as well. Add a heart shape. Draw on numbers from 1 to 9 as such. Out of the number 1, draw on a little fish. Out of the number 2, draw a little shell. As for the number 3, add a little jellyfish. Moving on to the number 4, draw a fish again and then draw multiple lines on it. Out of the number 5, draw a different kind of fish. This time, add spiky teeth to it along with sharp fins. Moving on to the number 6, draw a little turtle out of it. Add a circular shape in the middle and join the inner circle to the outer circle. Out of the number 7, draw a little kite out of it and then moving on to the number 8, draw this little insect out of it. Finally, draw a little squid or a seahorse out of the number 9 as such. Thank you for watching.